20 essential gadgets. You can easily get the gadgets online. Number 1. Put a water tank in the kitchen sink so that we can put water directly on it when we wash fruits, vegetables, etc. The water can flow directly into the water tank. You can also put the washed dishes, plates, water cups and water pots on it after draining the water. Number 2. Have you ever used a steel washcloth? It's much bigger than ordinary cloth. It's also lighter than a steel bowl. It does not damage the pot. It does not scratch your hands. Number 3. Every time my friend comes to my house, he will give me a fork. I use it to and comb. I add distinct burns. It will not burn my hands. I usually use a spoon to cook eggs. Number 4. An egg box with an automatic cover. Its layer will stick automatically when it gets the last egg. A box is a plate of 30 eggs. There's a date on the back. It is the egg on the 9th. You can put it on the 9th. It is a reasonable size. Number 5. In the morning, after brushing my teeth, I made my family's breakfast. It's very convenient. It's made of iron. There is no coating. The key is that you can use a large pan to fry eggs. You can only fry one egg at a time. It's a waste of oil. Number 6. I only knew it after I saw the neighbors next door. There is such a dumpling storage box. It used to be a big bag like this. It's not hygienic and it's safe. It's very convenient. It's made of food grade PP. Number 7. I must give you the only dumpling plate. It's not only high quality but also very practical. Number 8. Why do ordinary chopsticks at home have to be changed every 3 months? Because the mold of the chopsticks cannot be washed away. Mold is a forced cancer. It can only be eliminated at a temperature of over 280 degrees. I will share a special pair of chopsticks with you. Number 9. It's not afraid of dust. You can put the washed chopstick, knife, fork and ladle in it. The shape of the cream seal is very nice. There are 3 hooks below. Number 10. This little thing is amazing. It is said that the mothers who love to cook like it very much. Try it with garlic. The effect is amazing. Number 11. It's very convenient. I think every family should have a small pot. It's stainless steel. It's just the right size. It can be used in an open flame electric stove. Number 12. The pot you want has arrived. You know it's very good when you see it. It is not easy to knead in the dark. Number 13. It's really practical to make such a small net home. You can put all kinds of plastic bags that you don't want to know away on the door of the cabinet. It is not like the original Messi. It's a magic sticker. It's very fixed. Number 14. You can put a lid on the sink. The lid you use can be put on it at will. It's easy to install. It's very solid if you put it on the wall and tighten it. You can steer it regardless of the size of the lid. You can also put the dishes on it at will. Number 15. If you like to eat hot pot at home, you should prepare a rotating dish rack like this. You don't have to worry about messing up the table. It's hollow. You can put the vegetables directly in it. The bottom is a turntable. Number 16. I put them all in this rotating dish rack. This dish rack has a lot of capacity and can hold 6 grains respectively. It has a 360-degree rotation design. Number 17. Finally, I found this oil brush with a flat body. I used to put it like this. There is oil all over the floor and it's troublesome to clean it. This is very useful. Number 18. If you go out to play, don't forget to bring this trash can. Whether you eat snacks or fruits on the way, wipe your mouth and hands. You can throw the trash in the trash can. There is a place where you can put garbage bags. I really like this design. It's more convenient. Number 19. Steaming rice with. It is 100 times better than steaming rice in an electric rice cooker. Steamed bones, sweet potatoes and corn are no problems. It also comes with a hot water kettle. There is a small hole. Number 20. The pork oil can is made by heating the ceramic at a high temperature. It can be used as a chili can. Friends, to get all such gadget videos, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video.